among us the question which might be asked, which most individuals get to feel lazy of, is what is the function? Where we are able to say, ilisavi, nadionaika, mukuri monafi. Then after all I say, nadionaika, ngana manana kuma giuzu, kukunina shanchanyoka, we are able to describe all that. Then the skeletal system, that's why we are now going to focus, or going to look at the bones, how tissues are formed, the composition of this and structure of the skeletal system, or the bone starting from the head up to the toe. Then the last one, which is the muscular system. So the muscular system, that's where we are now going to discuss about how the body is able to make movements, because all that is facilitated by the muscles that we have into our body, which include peaks, of which in our language we'll be now referring them to foresight, count, of which in our language or in our profession we'll be referring them to foresight. In that context, there are course objectives and course aims which are outlined in the curriculum. In other words, these are the things that every student or every learner is supposed to understand or is supposed to know. Equally from our end, when we are preparing questions, this is where we now get to set questions, because the course or the curriculum states that describe, meaning that when asking or when formulating a question, it is not a particular now get to advise the farmer or that ghetto owner to say this particular ghetto is not fit, but they maybe unless it undergoes a certain type of medication or treatment for it, that it can now be fit for human consumption. In addition, we are now going to look at the reproductive system of the bull and the cow. Thereafter, the eighth objective, which is the fin fish species. So under that, you are supposed to understand how does fish get to appear under normal circumstances. Then after understanding, you will be able to see. No wonder we've got that different feature where we are able to say, the fourth one is to interpret meat hygiene acts and regulations which lay the backbone of meat hygiene. So, from the curriculum, I highlighted that the no more hatred, let love win. Which gets to guide every practitioner, I'm your friend, in every working environment. Good to see you, have you been? May he bless you and your kin. No more feeling down. It's time to hit the town. Shine your light, shine your light, shine your light, shine your light. Where possible, also includes the direct description and function of blood, the heart, and blood vessels. So the question might come could be outline or to state the function of various blood vessels, which is the brain, and what acts. That's when to you as an inspector.